Hello guys, my name is Monira and Krishna. This is my brother Rohit.
Hi.
So today we're gonna open something very special. Can you see this? It's black and there are Among Us figures, but it's Lego, so we have to build them. It's so cool. Yeah, my brother did something very good at school, so I'm gonna buy it for him. So now let's start unboxing it, okay? Yeah. Where did that part go? Now we got. Whoa, it's so cool! Oh my goodness! Whoa! There are 4 Among Us figures, guys. It's so cool. Yeah, now we got it. One, no, not 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Oh my god, there's so many. You have to build all of them. Wait, there should be a sticker. There should be a sticker. Look inside. Look inside. Where's the box that you just opened? Look, there's a sticker. You got the sticker. So now we have this. Whoa, these are becoming harder as we open it.
I got a pink and plastic. I got a pink hammer. Okay. Mine.
Okay, you got everything? Fine.
I'm not done it.
Keep it.
There's another box.
I'm gonna open it. I'll start building mine.
I'm finished. Don't start open mine.
Yeah, please. Oh, keep them safe. You don't want to get using them. Guys, look. I'm just gonna do the last thing. Look, my brother did his and I'm also done with mine. Oopsie. The hands are really big. Guys, I'm just gonna do mine. Wait, oh, I forgot the hat. The hat, oh my god. Why does the hands need to come out all the time? So, no, this comes.